Hi, this is Israr Ali, a student of Mehran University of Engineering and Technology in Software Department Batch 17. Here I am going to represent my project which I have made. This is an Android application. This is the user interface of my application. Basically, this app is used to count the steps. That's why I have named it as speedometer. This speedometer uses the built-in sensor to count your step, no GPS tracking, so it can greatly save battery. Lightweight speedometer app using the hardware step sensor for minimal battery consumption. This app is designed to be kept running all the time without having any impact on your battery life. It uses the hardware step detection sensor which is already running even when not using any speedometer app. Therefore, the app does not drain any additional battery. Unlike the other speedometer apps, this app does not track your movement or your location, so it does not need to turn your GPS sensor turn on your GPS sensor. Here you can see the steps on the screen which I have taken. You can see the total and average steps as well. By tapping on the steps you can see your steps in kilometers as well. Here you can see my steps in the kilometer. You can see there is a lot of blank space below the total and average steps. Basically here it shows the previous day record in the form of bar chart after completing a whole day. As it is my very first day on it, that's why there is no previous record. There you can see on the top right corner there is an option menu in which I have added the sub items with different functionalities. In settings we can see there is a goal, we can set our daily goal. Then there is a step size, we can set our step size. We have notification settings, we can manage our notifications as per our requirements. Then we have export and import option. In export we can see our data, we can save our data, and in import we can import our previously saved data. Then we have the other options, we may say achievements, leaderboard, FAQ, frequently asked questions, and then the most important feature is split count. Basically it is used to count our steps for a specific time. Here we can see we have a start and close button. After tapping the start button it will start counting our step now, and by stopping it we can see how many steps we have taken from that, and now we are stopping it. And that's all about my project.